everybody, I just wanted to check in and give you guys a quick update so I don't lose too many of you during the move, and while I'm at it, I'll throw in a little unboxing video, which is not the normal thing that I do here, but this is what the kids are into these days, right? So, as far as the move goes, we've gotten all of our stuff moved from the old place over here to the new place. Most of it's still in boxes and piles, and we've got a lot of unpacking and organizing to do. We've got some electrical upgrades that need to be done here at the new place and some exterior painting before the weather gets too foul. But we are gradually getting settled in here. It was kind of tough on Luna the doggy for a few days, but the vet gave us this doggy pheromone diffuser that we plugged in, and it seemed to make a difference pretty quickly. She got a little happier, and she's now out there enjoying the new yard, making new squirrel friends, and chasing around all the feral cats in the area. So she's coming around and getting back to normal. Well, that's a good thing. So that's the house update. It's still going to be a little while longer before I can get set up and do any more cooking videos, but I got a long list of recipes, so once I'm ready to go, we're going to be off and running. Now I'm down here in the basement in what will eventually become my crafting lair, because I do like to build all kinds of things. It's currently just full of boxes and furniture and a whole lot of stuff that's going to get shipped off to the Goodwill or the landfill. You spend 15 years in a place and it's surprising how much stuff you can kind of amass and hide away that you've never looked at for years. But we're getting all that stuff out of here, and I'm going to have a nice workshop down here. Now let's move on to the unboxing, and if you've watched the channel for very long, you've probably noticed that I kind of have a thing for knives, and I've got a new one here that I've been eyeballing for a while now, and it just came in, so let's check it out. Now to get into this box today, I'll be using my little everyday work knife. It's a Kershaw Launch 4 automatic. It's a real snappy little automatic there, real cute little thing, but as a tool, it's really only good for opening boxes. But it's a really cool box cutter. So, let's check this out, what we got here. Alright. Woo-wee! That's the side. Oh, wow. Look at that. Now that is a fancy, fancy box. So as you can see, this one's coming at us from White River Knife and Tool, and I don't know what it is about rivers and knives that go together, but it seems like there's a half dozen companies that have a river in their name. There's White River, Columbia River Knife and Tool. If you want a really great knife, Bark River makes incredible knives. I don't know, it's a thing. How do we get in there? Alright. It's a slider. Oh, let's see what we got in there. Oh. Oh. All right. Woo! Look at that. Now this is a White River small game knife. A nice leather sheath. It's very snug in there. Not gonna lose that. Let's check it out. Woo! Oh yeah. Isn't that pretty? So, this is, like I said, the small game knife by White River. It's got a 2.6 inch blade, overall 7 1/4 inches. I like that. The handle is still small blade, but still a substantial handle. You can get a good grip on there. This is the black and olive drab linen micarta handle, so it's going to be nice and grippy even when it's wet. Boy, isn't that just a pretty little knife? I just wanted a smaller fixed blade for carrying when I'm fishing or hunting for birds, where I don't really need a big hunting knife or a bushcraft knife. And boy, I think this one is going to do just fine. This is S35VN stainless, so it's going to be pretty tough and durable, but still not be really difficult to sharpen, and it should hold an edge very, very well. One of the videos I saw when I was looking into this knife, their only concern was that there's no jimping, which is the sort of ridges up here so you can get a real good grip on it. But a knife this size, I'm not really going to be working that hard. I wouldn't think if I'm going to be doing a job where I need a lot of leverage or I'm really working that, I'll take one of my bigger hunting knives. Or this one is going to be more of a precision tool. Boy, that does feel nice. It's got a excellent feel in the hand. It's just a little beauty. Oh yeah. Very nice. And what a cool box. I don't really have any use for the box now, but psh, super sweet. What a pretty little package. Oh yeah. Now these are getting a little difficult to find. I hope and think they'll make some more of them, but for now I did have to look around for quite a while. Found this one, of course, at the Knife Connection, and I think they have a few more in stock from what I saw on the website. But it is just a little beauty. It's not a cheap knife, but by today's standards, it's not an expensive knife either. So if you're into this sort of thing, it's a pretty good deal, I think. And what a cool box. Don't want to spend more time talking about the box than the knife. Really, the knife is awesome, but the box is cool. So there you have it. House update, really cool new knife. And in other news, it is currently raining here in the Pacific Northwest for the first time in a very long time. And that's exciting for a few reasons. It's going to give our firefighters a break and a hand in getting all these wildfires out that are surrounding us currently. And it's going to bring in the fall, all the fishing, all the hunting, all the foraging. I'm going to get out there, put this thing through its paces, and have the time of my life. So, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.